My clients have a profound appreciation for Singapore's iconic black and white colonial bungalows. This vision became our guiding principle to craft a space that blends timeless elegance with tropical comfort. We focus on the abundance of natural light, the architectural detailing, and of course, the use of a monochromatic palette.
My name is Suen, an interior designer at the Interior Lab, and this is a British colonial theme home.
My clients live in a 100 square meter 4-room HDB resale unit. The existing layout was already well proportioned, so we didn't need to reconfigure the space much. We also removed all existing built-in carpentry and chose to refurnish the home through loose furniture curation. We decided on a galley kitchen layout which maximizes countertop and storage space for practicality. One bedroom is now a study, while the other is left for future planning. The living area comfortably accommodates a round dining table and a 3-seater sofa, enhancing both functionality and the sense of openness.
There was a common yet significant challenge for corridor-facing units. How do we create privacy without compromising on essential components like natural light and ventilation for the home?
Our approach involved a layer of several components. First, we installed full glass windows that allows as much natural light to enter. The slim grills provides a subtle lattice design and security. Finally, we installed blinds and sheer day curtain for added privacy while enjoying a soft ambience. They took it a step further with a metal gate. The grills were cleverly designed to be tilted at an angle that physically obscures direct visibility into the home as you walk past. The main door and windows can now be kept open, solving the privacy dilemma while maximizing comfort.
So, Sean, tell me about your favorite part of the house.
Favorite part is over there at the dining area. Honestly, when I'm seated there, there's a sense of space. I feel relaxed and comfortable. It's very easy for anyone to feel right at home.
You are immediately greeted by a round dining table to foster intimacy and conversation. A grand mirror was thoughtfully framed with wainscoting and intentionally designed to capture the dining area, creating a sophisticated yet inviting ambience. The living area offers a quiet simplicity and is perfect for relaxation. In the galley kitchen, we use patterned floor tiles to add contrast and ground the space. On top of the classic colonial charm of shaker cabinets, we also plan for similar cornice profile for consistency. A subtle detail, but it makes all the difference in creating that desired look. Being on a high floor and with an unblocked view, they get a good breeze in the kitchen that makes cooking a comfortable experience and a good place for a cup of coffee. In the common bath, the intention was to create texture and interest, so we did a horizontal brick lay of a feature wall here. In contrary, the master bathroom is a sanctuary. The green tiles were chosen by the owners, a natural, calming color that feels restorative. The most rewarding part of designing a home like this isn't just the final handover. It's about the genuine collaboration between us and the results we achieve together. It moves beyond just a transactional thing. That's the most meaningful to me.